Got the daily deals, a lot of Ryobi today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more 2 deals, price glitches, holiday deals. All right, let's go ahead and start. So we got the Ryobi. This is the impact wrench for amp hour battery 2 pack. 159. Looks like a mid torque. I'm not very familiar with this. Uh, 150. Yeah, that's a good deal for this one if it's a mid torque. Yeah, does not say. Up to 275 pounds of breakaway torque. So it's very decent. It's not considered a high like a Milwaukee mid torque, but it 275 is very decent for that. You got a screwdriver kit, 5 amp hour battery, $34. Here's a 2-2 combo kit with 5.5 circular saw, jigsaw, $79. Here's a sliding miter saw. This is a 10-inch, 15 amp quick stand. 249. That's a good deal for the stand. Same thing with this one, this stand. 429 with the 10-inch sliding miter saw. So if you're looking at the holiday deals, the buy one get one free that they got going on right now, it's actually $99. You buy it, get a free tool. So on this one, you are saving yourself $20. It's even cheaper, but you are not able to hack it. You do have to keep both of the tools. $79 with a reciprocating saw, 2 batteries, charger. Got an angle grinder, $79. This is a high performance battery, 4 amp hour, 139. Let me just double check on this one. This one's a 4 mode impact wrench. It should say, I don't know if it's the same one. It looks different. Up to 600 pounds of breakaway torque. So I would definitely go with this one instead of the other one. Yeah. Definitely go with this one, guys. This one's much more powerful than the other one. I don't know why they have so many of these, but yeah, definitely go with that. That one is worth it. You got a drill driver, circular saw, $97, a whole bunch of tools that you might not need, but you have it for the house. So $97 for that, and then $287 for the A2 combo kit. Does include a sander, also into jigsaw, reciprocating saw, circular saw, impact driver, drill light, a few batteries there, 287. Oscillating toolkit, $79. You got a nailer kit, which is a pretty nice nailer kit. Ryobi makes one of the nicest one. I personally do have this thing. This thing is a beast. You got a brand nailer. I've done so many remodels with this one. It's 149. Got a brand nailer kit, 139. So oh yeah, the battery's different on this one. Yeah, the battery's different, smaller on that one. You got a compound miter saw, 7 1/4, 129. You got impact wrenches, so you got a high torque and a medium torque, a mid torque. Is that 129? Oh, it's the 3/8 and the half an inch. It looks like the. So yeah, that's the 600 pound mid torque, and you're gonna get the lower, the 200 and something. For 129, I think that's a good deal if you already got the batteries. 129 for the reciprocating saw and the oscillating tool. 129 for the oscillating tool and the jigsaw. You got those impact wrenches again, and plus you're getting ratchets, 279. The nailer and the jigsaw, 129. Angle grinder, 3 batteries, charger, 189. Same thing with that jigsaw, oscillating tool, reciprocating saw, circular saw, and a drill, 129. Very inexpensive. This one's the cordless air brand nailer kit. I believe this one's the newer one, 179 for the kit. A cutoff tool, 159 with 2 batteries. Let's see here. It's kind of the same thing, basically. Single stage cordless electric snowblower, 18-inch, 6 amp hour batteries, 399. Got a leaf blower and vacuum mulcher, 199. Got a battery power inverter for the 18-volt battery platform, $6.79. Get an edger, blower, attachment, and string trimmer. Battery, charger, $2.69. All right, so you got the generator here. It's an inverter generator, COD tech shutdown, 4,000 watt recoil starting and gasoline, $4.99. String trimmer, battery powered, $149. A mower. Now, why is this one so expensive? Oh yeah, because it's a 80-volt, 30-inch multi-blade mower, so it's top line, bigger one. If you need these, and plus you're getting those bigger batteries for the ride along mowers. So yeah, this is another battery platform, the 80-volt line, $13.99 for that, and then you got a 13-inch mower, which is for a really small yard. This is all $2.79. Battery pole edge trimmer with 2 amp hour battery, $169. Here's another mower, 21-inch. Walk behind self-propelled, $479. Here's a power station with the two batteries, $679. It's a lot of the backpack blower, $499. A lot of it's gonna be the same thing. Chainsaw, $149. All right, two generators. You can pair them up. It does come with that device, $899. Chainsaw, $249. Tool only, 20-inch. I got a pressure washer with the surface cleaner, $99. Not bad. Here's a pole chainsaw, $159. Dual friction inflator kit with 2 amp hour battery, $74. You got a high torque impact wrench, $149. Guys, this is a really good deal. That's crazy. 149 bucks for a high torque impact wrench, a battery charger, and plus you're getting some impact rated sockets. That is a crazy price, guys. Now these days you can get the high torque impact wrench for so cheap. Back in the day, I mean, you couldn't get a lug nut off. It was crazy. Now, anyways, two batteries. This one does come with an extra battery for $179. It is the high torque impact wrench as well. Jigsaw, $99. It does come with some. You got a inflator kit, $44. Two ratchet kit, $199. Circular saw, $189. Let's see what else we have. Screwdriver, $22. So 4-bolt screwdriver. So the whole bunch of Ryobi stuff. What is scrubber? Telescopic scrubber, and if you guys got grills, cars, whatever you need to clean with this, obviously not the paint, but you know the carpet and stuff, the tires, $199. You got a stick vacuum, $99, very inexpensive. Wow, there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. Lights with USB lithium, $49. Another clean, Swift clean, $299. You got another wet and dry vacuum, $139. Handheld. Battery power, same thing with this one, $59. 6-gallon, bigger. Here's another dust buster or spot cleaner, $89. You got a flooring saw, extra blade. That's it. So guys, a lot of Ryobi today, lots of good deals. Even if you don't have a Ryobi, well, some of those tools are just worth getting. That's it for today. We'll see you guys on the next one.